What y'all know about these black-eyed peas, man? We got about 100 people we need to feed here in this houseless community. This is just one pan. But anyway, I'm going to give you guys a quick little situation that you can do to bless someone in your neighborhood. So anyway, man, we're going to make sure this ham hock cooks overnight in that crock pot. You know, let it do what it do. It needs to fall apart. You know, we're going to drop in our diced tomatoes and these black-eyed peas. First, we're going to soak the black-eyed peas overnight, too. I ain't tell you that. Then we drop it in our chicken broth. You already know. Then we're going to move over that ham hock. And then we're going to actually use the BDS seasoning. That's just a good, well-rounded seasoning. We're going to drop some of this pulled pork in there, really thicken it up. Use the broth from the ham hock as well, mix it around, and baby, you go to sleep. When you wake up in the morning, you are ready to go. Like I said, we were able to feed about 100 people in our houseless community, along with some cornbread. Hey man, bless somebody in your town today. You already know how we getting down. But anyway, check it out. If you like this type of content, like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me. This shrimp broil is something you guys just gotta try. Trust me, it is so flavorful and it's easy to make. First, we're going to put in this potatoes, get those boiled down. I'm going to follow it with some garlic powder, fresh garlic, lemon pepper, paprika, Old Bay. This boil booster, you have to get it online, but it's worth it. Celery mix, sausage, this type of corn I use for my kids, the shrimp, of course, the bell pepper, and let that thing stew. And after it's done stewing, I cook down some butter with a little bit of that Old Bay in it. And look at this right here. Impress anybody. Invite anybody over. You're going to impress them with this meal, and it's super easy to make. Kids love it. Anyway, my dad came over. He is a true Southern. He let me know it is real. So get in the comments, y'all. Let me know what you think about this one. This one is definitely coming to my menu this summer. Try this out. Uncle Sandy put me on these grits. Check it. We grabbing the heavy cream and the chicken broth. Gotta get that whisk and get that chicken broth boiling. Then comes the grits, baby. Make sure you get that milk in there. Get that texture right. Give it a whisk. Pop that butter. Get that Tony Creole seasoning. Yeah, that. And that cheese. Yeah, all that. Break that down. Whisk it down. Hit that immerser blender. That immerser blender, baby. And on that andouille sausage, yeah, we got to get that diced. Get it diced good. Start dicing that bacon. And cook all that grease out. That's going to add the flavor. Now add that shrimp. Get some more Creole seasoning. This AP from McCormick's, baby, it will give you life. Mix it. Yeah, a little heavy cream. Get it thick now. And that thyme. Trust me, put a little bit of that thyme. And one more splash of that cream, and we in there. Check it out. If you like my content, like, comment,